Okay, so today you should be opening up a PDF that says linear modeling activity. What's going to happen is I'm going to walk you through an example of what I'm looking for in this linear modeling activity. And then eventually today you're going to leave and kind of think about what is some data that I could get that would fit this activity, and you'll have the day to work on it the following class period. Okay, so the example I'm going to use is that I open up an account with an investment company. I contribute $200 when I open it. Okay, and then I set an automatic deposit. So deposit means I'm going to add money to $50 each month. Okay, consider the given situation, identify the variables in the situation. Well, I'm going to skip that for a second and go down to create a linear equation. Okay, I've kind of told you that this slope is going to be the number that has an each or a per to it. So $50 per month. And the per is actually going to help me out naming my x variable. X is going to be the number of months. Now the $200 is my initial startup. That's my y-intercept. So when I have 0 months gone by, I have what in my bank account? I've got money. So y will be the amount of money in the bank account. So 0 months go by, I start off with 200. As 1 month goes by, I'm going to add another $50 per month. So I would have $250 per month. Okay, after 2 months, I'm going to add another 50 to that. So I have $300 in my bank account. After 3 months, I'm going to have $350. After 4, I'm going to have $400 in my account. If you notice, I'm going up $50 over and over, and I'm increasing by plus 1 month. So 50 over 1, that's how I get my slope. Okay, now on my graph, you can kind of scale them depending on what your numbers are. I'm dealing with 200s. So on the y-axis, I'm going to have dollars. On the x-axis, I'm going to have months. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, on my x-axis, or sorry, my y-axis, I'm going to put the dollar amount. 0, and it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There's 20 blocks. So I'm thinking maybe by tens. So $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. All the way up to 200. And I'm plotting those points. I'm going to show it kind of visually. I start at 0. I'll pick a different color to see it a little bit better. And I've got $200. Okay. Now, look how that went. $200. I'm going up to 250. That's really not a good scaling. So, my bad. Maybe I should go by something different. And you can go by whatever you want, just as long as it fits nicely. Maybe I go by 200, 300, 400, 500, and work my way up to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000, and so forth. Okay, so 0, 200, 1, 250, okay, 3, 300, 2, 300. And there's the graph of my line. Okay. Use your model to make 2 specific statements about the situation. Select the quantity in your independent variable, so any input, and the corresponding output, and show how you calculate it. So I'm just going to take 2. So if I put x is equal to 2 into my equation of y equals 50x plus 200. Okay. Guess I didn't finish my equation, right? My slope times x plus 200. if I put 2 in, just put that number in, 50 times 2 plus 200. I just pick 2, you can pick whatever you want. So 100 plus 200, the Y value or the amount of money is 300. Okay, select the value of your outputs. So pick a Y value, whatever you want. I'll pick 400. And just show how if I put 400 in for Y, I'm able to solve this equation for X. I mean, you know the answer because you filled it out in the table already. You're just kind of showing me you understand how to plug and play those numbers. So X would be 4 months. Again, you pick whatever you want. So here's what you need to do. You need to go out and create a real world linear situation. So not talking about a bank account and having money added to it, in which you are going to come back and pretty much do this all over again. What I'm asking of you is to take this example that I did, come up with another real life situation besides the banking account model, and come back ready in class on Friday and be able to fill out all this and work out through all this.